AutoDS is an all-in-one dropshipping automation platform built to help sellers run their e-commerce businesses with less manual work. It supports popular marketplaces like eBay, Shopify, Facebook Marketplace, Etsy, and more, letting you manage multiple stores from a single dashboard. The platform's key draw is automation. You can import products directly from supported suppliers, automate price and stock monitoring, and even handle order fulfillment without lifting a finger. AutoDS also offers a product research tool with trending and best-selling item suggestions, plus analytics to track performance. For new dropshippers, features like automatic customer messaging, order tracking updates, and a centralized store manager can save hours each week. There's also an integrated image editor to tweak product photos before publishing. Pricing starts with a free trial, then moves to tiered monthly plans based on the number of products that you manage. While many users praise its time-saving tools, some note a learning curve at first, and the cost can add up for larger catalogs. Overall, AutoDS streamlines the repetitive parts of dropshipping so you can focus on marketing and scaling, making it a solid choice if automation is your priority. Have you tried it out? Are there any sort of competitors that you'd like us to make a video on? Let us know in the comments below. Give this a like if you found it helpful, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from us. It would be much appreciated.